well, there's more of an advantage to the flat buttons because you can actually sew them by machine.
1, 2, 3.
Hello, good morning everyone. Welcome back to another video from GreenieCo Style. My name is Raylene and I'm here to help you shop sustainably and maintain the clothes you still love. So in this video, we're going to sew on a button with 2 holes.
Fabric, flat button with 2 holes, needle, thread that matches the button, and scissors.
So let's get right to it. Now every time I hand sew on a button, I always double thread it. So you pull the thread all the way through so that it aligns with the other end there. When I first learned how to sew on buttons, I learned to do a knot at the bottom of the thread, but it's kind of bulky, and especially on if it's a blouse, if it's very lightweight material, you don't want any bulges. So in order to do that, we're just gonna go in and out a couple times. Don't pull it all the way through, just leave a little bit, and then you just kind of go crisscross like that. And that should be good there. Okay, so you want to get your button, and you put the needle right through the hole. And now that's through the hole, you're going to want to go into the next hole from the top. And I just like putting it through the button at first, just so that when you put it through the fabric, it's close to where you started. So down through the bottom of the fabric, pull that through, and then where you went through on the top, that hole, you're going to want to come through the bottom of the fabric in the next hole, and then you go across again. So you're going up through one hole and then down through the other hole. And you're going to want to do this about 6 to 8 times. But
if you're using this button and you find it's pulling more than the others because it's on your bust line or neck,
you can do 10 times, but like I said, up to you. Okay, now to end it off, you're going to want to pull the thread through, coming through the top of the button. Don't go through the fabric. And then once that's through, you're going to poke the needle underneath the button through the fabric, just kind of where you've been sewing. So you're just gonna through the fabric. I like to do that a couple times, or once, that should be good. But I'm gonna do it a couple times. And then once you did that, I just kind of stretch the fabric a little bit to make it flat and not wrinkled up in the back, because that could get wrinkly, and that's not cool. You don't want that. So make sure when you are sewing on the button, you're just kind of pulling at the fabric a little bit, stretching it out so that it is all flat. Then once you did that, I like to wrap the thread around the button 3 times. And then you go in and out again, just underneath the button, like what we did at the beginning before we wrapped the thread. And then now we tie it off here. Here we go, right beside the button, underneath so that nobody can see. So you're going to go in and out of the fabric, right underneath the button. Don't pull the needle all the way through this time. Just leave it half in the fabric right there. You're going to want to wrap this thread around the top of the needle 3 times again. And then once you did that, you push it through, making that knot. And once that's through, not underneath the button there, you can cut it. Get your handy dandy scissors. And there you have it, my friends. There is a flat button with 2 holes. And that's that. So we're learning to keep our clothes as long as possible. That is the goal. We're trying to save the planet here. If you have any ideas of alterations that I haven't demonstrated yet, please feel free to email me at greeniecostyle@outlook.com. You can also direct message me on my Instagram, greenico_style. Thank you again for watching till the end. You guys are awesome. Have a gravy day and stay hydrated. Needle right through the hole, whatever hole you want. I don't care. Oh, sorry. Oh no.